Hi everyone, it's your girl Kitora. We are UNice and we're in Arizona this weekend. It is WNBA All-Star Weekend and we are definitely sponsoring them. So come take a look at our display, showing you guys all of our new products from the pre-everything units to the bye-bye knots. We are also handing out these gift bags to all of the beautiful ladies that are enjoying our products and enjoying the night. Like I said, we're sponsoring the WNBA. This is their beautiful background with all of their different sponsors in them. This is going to be their bar, a good open bar to get everybody talking and mingling. They also have another gift section. They are allowing anybody to go ahead and dibble and dabble in the gifts that they are providing to all of the guests here. We are here to eat as well. We're at STK, so we also have the food for the dinner time action. We are so proud to be here and honored, so I will keep you guys updated throughout the night.